How do you know it's the Spirit of God? Well, I'm going to tell you my personal experience right now, okay? Because literally, when the birds respond back to you after a thought that goes on in your head, or what you say out loud, and the birds automatically chirp with it, and you just know there's this certain loud chirping that the birds will do when you're speaking of something that the Lord wills you to speak. Like, say it'll be quiet, there's no birds, and then you say something, and then all of a sudden, beep, 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 beep. Look at that star. Look at this. Look at this. Right behind the cloud it went. I was trying to show you a star, a white silvery star, but of course it went behind the clouds right when I said that. So yes, the clouds. God spoke in a white, bright cloud that overshadowed the mountain with Jesus and the 3 disciples. Well, yeah, Moses, what was it? Moses, Elijah, and Peter. Or Moses, Peter, and someone else, a disciple. So if he speaks and spoke to them through this bright cloud, he also speaks through these